When we want to take screenshots with our iPhone, we have to press the power button and volume buttons or home button or double iPhone back. But in today's video, I will show you how to take screenshots without pressing any button. For set these settings, first go to your iPhone settings, then swipe down and click on accessibility. Then swipe down and click on touch. Click on assistive touch. Turn on it. When you turn on it, you see a pop-up that's named assistive touch. Then you see here three options: on single tap, 2 double tap, 3 long press. Select long press and select here screenshot. Okay, then go back. Now tap and hold your assistive touch long time. Then you see your screenshot will added. For save this, click done, save to photos, or by default it saves. Again tap and hold your assistive touch long time. Then you see a screenshot will take. Okay, now you see your screenshot from photos here. Thank you so much. Please subscribe for more videos and stay with Apple Info.